Yo, yo, what's good, Jordan? Good morning, brother. All right. Just chilling at the moment. Took some GJ sells this morning. Stopped out at entry. No loss, no win. Had an opportunity to secure on it, but I didn't. But currently just looking for another setup here. Whoa, gold just started melting here. What's going on? Comics came in. Common comics. No confirmation to enter this though. So it's all good. Gold making that move, man. Dang, yeah, looking back at it, this is a nice little slingshot move here. This is probably how gold could have been caught. Stop loss would have been a little bit big above the previous hourly, but if we look at 30-minute, yeah, that would have been that would have been the previous 30-minute. So it would have been a safe stop loss, and you know, the execution probably would have been on this, yeah, it would have been on this 815 candle. So in that case, you know, stop loss could have been above the previous 15-minute high. So 25 pip stop loss, that's not too bad. Would have been based on the current 30-minute candle high. And then this is basically just the setup, and then just expecting this support level to be broken because of volume, because of the 820 comics. So yeah, that's how that could have been caught. That's why you gotta watch all time frames. Wasn't paying attention to the hourly, so I didn't see that setup. But the time frames do tell stories. But yeah, we're getting this this GJ rejection now. Hopefully we can get a strong resistance for him. We can come down, create a level of support, and then go back up and retest the resistance that's created. That would be ideal. Yeah, this was a nice move here. I took a similar trade like this last week on GJ, or maybe it was 2 weeks ago. Strong resistance created here. Dang, yeah, I was gonna enter in on that. New York open volume. Nothing yet, nothing yet. It was a nice little push when New York opened though. On GJ there. This gold hourly candle completely retrace. Damn, the 30-minute completely retrace. Dang, that would have been a nice push though. Confirmation on the break of the low here, that would have been beautiful. My apologies. Had maintenance here at the house. Had to deal with. I got a little leak somewhere that I need them to fucking fix. But didn't miss anything so far. Nothing. Gold looks like it's just doing some seesaw shit. GJ looks like it's trying to play out the old MP special, but not gonna be enough range. It seems like it's playing out based on 15-minute. Should go retest these highs. It's looking like, but not enough range. You know, only 12 pips or so. Not gonna be the best. Oh shit, my bad, Christine. Sorry, I confused you there with the streams. Yeah, I started one up earlier and then Raja came on and I decided to hop on his. When price is in momentum, wicks get filled. Correct. You can see it happening right here. Correct. Correct. And the best way to see if it's going to get filled is if price starts to continue to close below zones. So you know, there's two ways to look at wicks. You know, wicks are only rejections if price is failing to close above or below its zone. Wicks become wick fills when price starts to close above or below a zone. So as price starts to close below this zone, these wicks are going to become wick fills, which is happening here on lower time frames. But yeah, nothing as of this moment. I was looking at like a little potential like slingshot action here if the old MP special doesn't play out, but the problem is ranges above this zone are very small. Man, what the hell's going on here? My mouse ain't working. There we go. Yeah, all of these ranges are really small. It's like terrible. Yeah, like the next possible area would be above here. This whole area would be no trade zone. So to catch a trade on GJ, it might be better to see some sort of, I don't know, we'll just have to see. It might just range from here. This 30-minute push was super nice. No real confirmations for that 30-minute trade though. I mean, the only thing that I can think of is if you considered this like a zone. If you considered that like a support and resistance zone. You know, price came down, created a low, created a resistance, and then kind of like created a support again, and then broke the resistance. This is kind of like the break and retest situation. You know, price broke the resistance, now it's retesting, and then this candle just rocket launched. This is also 7 a.m. pre-New York. Entry could have been like as price broke the candle high right here, this candle high, and then stops below the previous candle, but I think that would be pretty big at that point. But I think that's probably the best way that trade could have been caught, is if you're considering that situation. Which I was considering this the old MP special, where lows created, price forms a resistance to go retest those lows, and wasn't really considering this a range, just because candles move through here clearly. We got 15-minute closing, 30-minute closing, hourly closing, 4-hour closing, all in the next 5 minutes. If we get this 15-minute bearish close here on GJ, we might be able to get a little slingshot action. Might be able to look for some sells to kind of correct this little move. We'd be looking at something like this, 40 pips that it could correct. We gotta wait for candle close for that. Doesn't look like anything here on gold. Lots of big ass wicks. close back above the range. Wow. I actually think this would have been a good sell here on the 15-minute. Like I was talking about, like that little slingshot action. If we had a bearish 15-minute, it was weak bearish, but create a little wick up. It's breaking a low. It should fill this wick, I think. Probably continue down. But I would like that setup to play out on 30 minutes. A little bit better confirmation, but being that it's 9 a.m. right now, higher volumes time, probably see that move work out. A little risky, I think, though. First 5 minutes in the 1 hour candle. It would be better with a 30-minute bearish close. But as you can see, like, you know, price started making higher highs and higher lows in this candle. Higher highs, higher lows, higher high, and a lower low. Now lower highs, lower lows should continue to do the same. Should be a lower high, should respect this high here, create a lower low, continue on. It'd be like a 22 pip stop loss. I definitely think that should play out actually. I'm not gonna execute on it now though. I already missed like where I would have taken the entry originally, even though it's like retracing back to it. You know, the entry would have been when it first broke the low. Stops above the previous candle high. Look to target this wick fill at first, and then continue to correct this move up. And then just anticipate this 30-minute candle low to be broken. Like I said, continue the trend of creating lower highs and lower lows. Break the hourly low, come down and correct that candle, respect this resistance. Yeah, it definitely makes sense for sells to play out here. The only thing that's kind of stopping it is this 4-hour candle. This 4-hour candle was strong bullish. Did have a strong rejection at a resistance level though, so could continue bearish. Previous 30-minute, previous daily, sorry. Previous daily has broken the low. Yeah, I think it tells a bearish story. Would definitely want 15-minute to close below this area though. 15-minute closes below this area. I think it should continue 100%. But if for some reason this candle rejects and closes above, then I think it's going to flip, or it's going to range. Should have executed here. Nice break there. Yeah, at this point, nothing, can't do anything about entering at the break of the low. That's 40 pip stop loss for a potential 27 reward, it's no good. Be up like 13-12 pips. Would have seen 16 pips or so at this point. Oh man. Yeah, that would have been it, man. That would have been it. Missed it. Ultimately targeting this level for this candle, this 15-minute candle. This is the nice slingshot setup on 30-minute. Strong bearish, weak bullish, strong bearish. Beautiful. Yeah, this would have been a good counter trend impulse entry. This price came up, created a high here for the session, created a resistance, then a support, and then it broke the support. And we know we can take impulse entries when price is breaking support and uptrends. Dang. Would have been a solid 40 plus pips. It's a heartbreaker, guys. It's a heartbreaker. Man, I literally said we could see a slingshot set up if we have a 15-minute bearish close. And I was like, this is a weak 15-minute bearish close. I don't really like that. Ideally, I would have liked to see this 15-minute bearish candle close like at least the size of this bullish candle. That would have given me a lot of confidence to enter. But since it was weak, I was just like, you know, if it breaks the low, it could continue, but at the same time, it could come down, reject, and close back up above this level here. Because there's like, you know, a support here that hasn't been confirmed as a strong support or a weak support. It's all good. The setups will play again in the future. This one right here, you'll see this again in the future. And then just with volume, you know, we can expect it to correct the move. And that's a few setups we missed this morning. That's a few setups we missed. First, I missed an opportunity to secure profits in this move. I think price went like 15, 16, 17 pips in profit. So that was the first trade opportunity that we missed. Missed these buys up on GJ. No real confirmation to enter those though. The only thing that I can really think of is this 30-minute pattern, which I kind of talked about earlier. This was like, you know, we can look at this as like a zone here. So price came down, created a low, formed a level of resistance, and then a level of support. Ultimately broke that resistance. So this is like a break and retest. So it broke, came and retested the resistance that was broken, turned it into a support. Entry could have been as the 30-minute broke the previous candle high. So that would have been like 30 pip stop loss. Kind of large, but for the plus side, 58 pips to the top makes sense to execute on. So that was kind of the second idea that we kind of missed there. The third idea we missed is these GJ sells right here based on 15-minute. And then the fourth idea was the gold sells based on the hourly, the slingshot move here. You know, this would have been something similar to this. This candle's high actually wasn't broken, so it could have trailed stop loss above the previous hourly candle just to be safe. Would have had 44 pips or so to the downside, 35 pip stop loss, not terrible, a little large but not terrible. And then just expected volume to carry that candle down, which it went down, hit the target 1655, and then came all the way back up and retraced. So that was the fourth trade idea that we could have executed on today. Other than that, I don't think there was anything. So yeah, not bad. I mean, good to see these moves happening. It's been kind of dry during New York session like the last 2 weeks, so it's good to see that these moves are happening, but unfortunately didn't execute on them properly or at all. What's your capital? What do you mean? Oh, are you saying like my trading account size? I think that's what you're saying. I'm not sure, honestly. I think my current account balance is around 7,000 or so. $689, 68, 90. Yeah, that would have been solid. 31 pip stop loss wouldn't have been too bad. 57 pips to the top side. So I'm just going to Oh shit. That's supposed to say buys. Was that like 41 pips? Yep. Dang, that would have been a beautiful trade right here. The slingshot. The slingshot. Had some good opportunities on this fine Thursday morning. Shit, man. Really just nothing happening here at this point. Nothing. Kind of missed out on any of the opportunities. We had 4 opportunities. Executed on one of them, which was a break-even trade, and then 3 trade ideas that were all plus 40 pips. Happy fucking Thursday. Like at this point, prices move so much on GJ, I don't even know what else it could do. What I do know is that it's in between this zone, and once this candle closes, this zone is going to become here. It's in this little range here. And buys above are not going to make sense there. Sells below aren't either. One minute until NYSE open. DXY bulls, so XAU bear. Yeah, I don't pay attention to DXY, so if that's what you see, then I trust your analysis. I will just have to confirm with gold price action. At this point, gold price action is telling us that it's confused as fuck. It's telling us these mofos confused. Yeah, I honestly never really paid attention to DXY. Never paid attention to DXY, never saw the need to. But yeah, I know a lot of people that that watch it for correlations based on USD currency pairs. But I think you can just get that same information with the currency pair itself. What we got here? All right. Alright, so I'm not gonna lie, I just took a buy here a second ago. Just put in the parameters of the trade here. Stop loss is 169.056. Profit 169.646. Entry 169.373. Currently up about 4 pips. I think this should play out. Basically what I'm looking at is, you know, strong rejection here. Price broke at a high. It's 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. It's the New York Stock Exchange open. We should have an increase in volume. I know 30-minute is bearish, but it's strong bearish with a strong rejection here at a past support level. Hourly, same type of situation. Strong rejection here at a past support level. 4 hour, previous 4 hour is bullish, and we have respected the low here, and we are starting to move up. So that's kind of what I'm anticipating, is that this 4 hour candle is going to flip, go fill this wick, and then the daily will end up closing weak bearish. So that's kind of the story that I'm telling myself here. And yeah, so we're just gonna let this this trade play out. I have a partial stop loss at the 50% drawdown level, so the total stop loss is 31 pips, a little bit larger than I like, but I'll never lose my total stop loss. I have a partial stop loss at 169.218, and basically what's gonna happen at 169.218, if that level gets hit, is price is going to close, or my magic keys is going to close 90% of the position, just to reduce risk as much as possible. And then yeah, we'll just manage the rest of the trade from there. But that's pretty much what I'm looking at here. We'll look to secure anywhere from 15 to 20 pips or so, which should present itself. 27 pips up to the top of this candle here, so it should present itself, which we're about 5 pips in profit here, 6 pips in profit. I think it's gonna make the push. I think it's gonna do us right. 6 pips, 7 pips in profit, 8 pips, 9 pips. Auto break even has been triggered. We now have a risk-free trade. If you just heard that kind of alien sound, that is my auto break even being triggered. And so we have a partial TP at plus 20 pips. We're plus 15 pips right now. 16 pips plus, 17 pips plus. It's moving in our direction. It's galloping very nice right now. It's galloping very, partial take profit has been hit. 90% of the position is closed. And at this point, we'll just let the rest run until either price retraces and hits our entry point, or take profit is hit. So well done. Well done. That worked out very well. Congrats if you guys took that. I know I didn't really call it out, but not gonna lie, I kind of felt like it was gonna be a dumbass trade, just because price had fell. But I was like, no, you know what? With these rejection zones, with the story that I'm able to tell across the candles, I think we're gonna flip. I think we're gonna make that flip. And 1 hour candle is pushing up. This 4 hour candle makes the flip, and it's going to look real nice. Amazing. See, and those are the types of moves that we wait for, honestly. When there's a lot of volume in the market, price just fucking moves to the damn zone that we want it to move to. There's no bullshit. We're not waiting around for any bullshit. Price just moves, and it just gallops so nicely. Those are the fucking moves. FUFS, I'm not sure if you just missed it, my explanation. But if we look at it, 15-minute came down. This is a support area here. Price came down, rejected, closed bullish. I told myself if candle breaks the high, it's probably going to correct this candle. It's probably going to correct this move down. If price breaks the low, it's probably going to continue down, or it's going to start ranging. And then so if we look at the 30-minute candle did close strong bearish, but at the same time it rejected this level, this past support level right here, which was a past resistance right here. And then if we look at the hourly, same thing, rejected the same level that was rejected in the past. If we look at 4 hour candle closed strong bullish. So what does a strong bullish 4 hour candle mean? That means that the next 4 hour candle has a very high probability to be bullish. So we noticed that it wicked way down here, it respected the low, and as it started going up, we're basically anticipating this 4 hour candle to flip bullish, and once it breaks its own high right here at 169.683, it should fill this wick all the way up to 170. And then if we look at the daily candle, at this point it should close weak bearish. So that was kind of the reason why I took the buys at that point. And to be honest with you, at this point, I don't give a shit what it does, because I secured profits and we're all good. And the only reason I took that trade too is because I had taken this trade earlier. It was stopped out at entry, and yeah. So I didn't lose anything. So that was good. I'm happy that that we made that happen. In today's session, right at the end, catch that New York Open volume. So let's see, 473. Auto break even triggered at plus 10 pips, and then 573 was 20 pips. Secured 90%. All right, now. Let me save this for my journal. Come on, baby. Hit that motherfucking TP, boy. Hit that motherfucking TP. Let's get that bag. Even though the bag's already secured. Bag's already secured. 34 seconds until 15-minute candle closes. And, you know, at this point, I'm probably just going to close the rest. Yep, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to secure these profits. And if it goes up to the TP, that's amazing. I don't really care. But being that there's this rejection zone right here, you know, I'm just going to close out the rest. Yep, perfect. And it's a weak 15-minute candle there. Amazing. Amazing. That was absolutely beautiful. That was absolutely magnificent. I love winning trades. There's nothing that I love more than winning trades. And we saw some good volume. We saw some good volume this morning. We saw some good volume this morning. That 1 hour candle is flip bullish. The TP level was hit. So what? I lost out on a couple of pips. So what? Now we can have a good day. We made money. We can have a good day. We made money. We saw lots of opportunities in the markets. It was a good day to have a good day. What the fuck's going on here? Come on, man, what the fuck? So if you're still here with me on the stream, make sure you give it a like. If you're new here to the stream, make sure you give it a subscribe. And hope to see you on future sessions. We're gonna wrap this one up here shortly. We're gonna wrap this one up. Oh, what the hell? Is my shit black on YouTube right now? Nah, we're good. Okay. Yeah, hell yeah, W. Yeah, thank you, Abdelaziz. Thank you, brother. Hell yeah, spam that chat. Spam that chat, boy. God damn, my shit's like lagging up right now though. What the fuck's going on? We win a trade and computer's like, nah, hell nah. Oh shit. Oh. Damn it. What the fuck, man? Got that goddamn winning trade and the fucking like get on the third world country Wi-Fi, man. Holy. Dang, gold's selling right now too like crazy. Yeah, my bad guys. The stream's going a little laggy right now. I hope it's not terrible. Yeah, man, this worked out just like I was explaining. 4-hour flip bullish should go fill that wick. God damn, I'm a beast. Damn it, I wish this stream was working good. So it looks like it's better. Word. Well, I hope you guys have an amazing day. We're gonna wrap it up for today. Actually, I'm gonna journal this bitch real quick. Journal this bitch real quick. Oh, how much profit today? Let me see. Let me see. Dang, look at it rejecting now. See, that's why we just trade zone to zone. Zone to zone. Zone to M and F and zone. Oh shit, forgot to answer your question. How much profit today, bro? So let me see. I risked, so I took a 0.6, 31 pips stop loss, so it was a little larger than I wanted it to be, 31 pips. So I took a 0.6 lot, 60-cent lot. I was risking 127 bucks, but as mentioned, you know, I never lose the full amount. And then I made 82, so nothing big, nothing huge today. But, you know, it's all got to be in retrospect to the account size, you know, the stop loss size, the amount of risk, and all that jazz. So, profits. But cool. Okay, yeah, that's right. I got to, trade journal, chart markups, October 22. Let's see, what time was that trade taken? 9:32. 9:32. Oh. Needed that win right there, boy. Needed that. Yeah, them wicks on gold are fucking ruthless. So I wasn't really looking for any trades on gold because of that, man. I didn't want to really play around with fire today. I wanted to have a good day, not a bad day. Would you be comfy to open a sell on gold? Hell no. Actually, let me see. Nah. I mean, you could, but it'd be kind of risky. I mean, if I was gonna do it, I would let a top wick form and then I would enter as the candle flips here. And then you'd be looking for, you know, first target would be about 15 pips, 18 pips, you know, 21 pips, 24 pips down to 1655. I mean, you could, but you want to do it like as this candle flips. Because right now it's pumping up hard. You know, you don't want to take a sell. I mean, stop loss is going to be huge on this too, 47 pips. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I wouldn't do it. I would not sell right now. You have to look for something else. You have to look for better setup. We'll have to look for a better setup. GJ was the better pair this morning. You see, we took one sell earlier, ended up at break even. We had two other ideas, a buy for 57 pips and then a sell for 41 pips. And then I took a second trade, buys for 20.7 pips profit. So GJ was definitely the more active pair today. Gold just kind of did some wild shit. We really only had one sell idea on gold based on hourly. Yeah, so gold sells. You need some more confirmations for that, in my opinion. Or you could take a cowboy sell. Yeah, gold, hell no, too chaotic today. Yeah, gold's looking a little wild. Just a little bit, but everybody can do what they wish. Everybody can do what they wish. But I ain't gonna lie, me personally, that's not something I wish to do, no chance. Not now, not today, not ever, never. Alright, cool. We're gonna shut it down for today. Yeah, gold's fucking wild right now. I would probably just stay away from gold. We really just had that one trade opportunity with gold. Had a couple of ideas with GJ. 2 of them we executed on. 1 we were profitable on. The other we had the opportunity to secure 15, 16, 17 pips or so, but ultimately let it stop us out at entry, which I'm not gonna let that happen again. But yeah, so it was a good day. If you're still here with us on the stream, make sure you like the stream. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and we'll be back for another New York session tomorrow at 6:30 a.m. Eastern time. Until then, have an amazing Friday Eve, and we'll see you tomorrow. Adios. Adios.